Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how you can customize control center on your iPhone. So first of all, like the video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your control panel. Here you can see a lot of options. Anyone can customize her or his own buttons. I am customizing my own. So in this video I am telling you how you can customize your favorite buttons on your screen, so easily you can use shortcuts of these apps. So first of all, what you have to do, if you are long tap on any of your icon, this will not show you how to edit or delete or add any. So on the top bar on, you can see the option of plus in the right side of your screen. On the top bar here you can see there is an option of plus. You have to press on that. After pressing on that, you can see all the apps need edited. If you want to edit them, delete them or add them, there is new option. Now in the last corner you can see there is an option add to new control. From here, these are all the basic controls of your mobile phone. You can add or remove any control if you want. You can change the size of controls, you can change the setting of controls. So this is very easy and basic process by using which you can easily set your or customize your control panel in your any color, any shape, whatever you want. If you want to change control panel setting, you can also change, move them left to right. If you want to add new control panel, you can also add new control panel. Hope so friends you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned with me for the next video. Here you can see I'm telling you how you can customize. You can move it left to right if you want. You can do any setting if you want. You can change the size of icon, you can change new icon, remove icon, anything in this video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and comment below if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. This video is very useful for the person who want to customize his own control panel.